So after the news or rumor, however you want to say it, that World Supercross was kind of in some trouble, and then a couple days ago we had news that, well, yeah, they were in trouble because they got bought by somebody else. It's pretty bad in the first year if you're having money issues like that. But SS Global, the promoters of FIM World Supercross Championship, WSX, today, as I'm filming this, announced a revision to their 2023 calendar, which basically is what we all thought. Singapore, Germany, and Canada seem to be just gone. They're off the map, whatever. Adam Bailey, SX Global CEO, said, quote, Singapore, Germany, and Canada remain crucial growth markets for WSX, and we intend to return to each of those markets very soon. 2023 was to be WSX's first foray into these markets, and we want to make sure we do each of these crucial markets absolute justice. Saying basically, hey, we bought it and we're not going to come to you this year. Sucks. He did continue to say, too, to the many fans who bought tickets for the WSX event in Singapore, naturally you will receive full refunds. For those who have been waiting patiently for German and Canadian WSX updates, we understand you'll be frustrated. That's, to me right there, saying that's done. But we will be back very soon to make sure it was worth the wait. These calendar changes have been made in alignment with the FIM, who remain fully supportive, blah, 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 who cares? So basically this year we're going to have what? British, Australian, and Dubai. So we're going to have, well, technically Dubai and then Australian. So there's 3 WSX events out of the, 6 planned. So in the first year where this is supposed to be a big thing, 50% of the races aren't even happening. And it's the problem again of, because it doesn't look very good. I mean, last year trying to call it a world championship with 2 races is fine, whatever. This year trying to call it a world championship again where you have half the races aren't happening, and now it's, you have in the middle of the season, in the beginning year of this, you have it being sold to somebody else because they're already having money issues. I don't see this going very well. I mean, maybe next year it takes off and it just works perfectly and then it becomes a mainstay and everything's perfectly fine. Who knows? Whatever. Or it's just going to go down in flames and it's going to be a giant waste of money and hope and whatever. But in comments below, you tell me. Out of the 2 remaining rounds, Abu Dhabi and... Did I say Dubai? I might be wrong about that. Abu Dhabi and Australian. I think I said Dubai. If I did, I'm going to just correct myself there. Out of those two rounds, who do you think wins? Does Roxon get 2 wins? Does he win the championship again and get to run his number 1 plate for another year? Or does somebody else take it? Savachi or whoever else is racing, whatever. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. And tell me what you think of the series in general. Obviously, like I'm saying, it does not look very good to have in your first year already having money issues and having to be sold to other people and then half your races being canceled. It doesn't come off very well, at least to me. But in the comments below, you tell me, whatever you want. Are you going to the races? Have you watched any of them? Or you watched the first one, I guess would be more correct. Just go down there, comment down below, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.